Hi, my name is William Huneycutt, but family and friends call me Andy. This December, I hope you'll join me at SharePoint Fest in Chicago, where I'm leading a full-day workshop on business process automation with PowerApps and Flow. As organizations move on from legacy tools like InfoPath and SharePoint Designer, we need to understand our options moving forward, learn the capabilities of these options, and determine how they'll impact our information workers. This workshop is a hands-on session designed to showcase the capabilities of SharePoint with tools like PowerApps to create custom forms and build powerful applications, and Microsoft Flow to create automated workflows to manage daily business activities. Are you ready to build something? I hope so, and I hope you'll join me at SharePoint Fest Chicago to learn more about business process automation with PowerApps and Flow. See you there.